Hello and welcome to another update video about Bonk. Bonk chart retraced quite a bit and has formed a bit of a strange structure up there. However, is holding the micro support level. Okay, so let's talk about the ideas that I have about this chart, the different levels, the parameters currently being respected. First of all, when we zoom out, we can see that the chart produced a 5-wave move to the upside. So from the October lows, we had a rally in 5 waves, in an impulse, pretty clear impulse. 5th wave, quite extended, but it's a 5-wave move in wave 5. Happy about that, and now we are likely in this wave 2 pullback. Now, over recent weeks then, we've had this decline that started like 5 weeks ago into the January lows. And the price also dipped basically to the previous swing low. The previous swing low, and this was a wave 4 lower degree in wave 5, and found some temporary support, did rally, but it doesn't really show a lot of strength at this stage. So the idea is that this might have been just, well, in the yellow count, which is my primary scenario. Let's talk about that first. Basically, the idea is that after this 5-wave move completed in a wave 1, we're now in a wave 2, and it would be an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. The B wave is ideally going to extend a little further, possibly into the area here around 188.255 and 2685, what is it? 268503. Yeah, you need to imagine 4 zeros before that number, okay? That's how many there are. That would look best, okay? Getting a bit more of an extended B wave there in a, let's say, ABC structure, A, B, C, and it would be the ideal spot for it to turn around now, okay? That would be an ideal spot. And we have quite a deep pullback, and that C wave could start maybe even with Bitcoin's B wave that we talk about in the Bitcoin video. That would be ideal. I mean, I cannot rule out that the B wave already has topped, but ideally it moves a little higher. I would assume it's going to give us a higher B wave as long as the orange support area is holding. We have a small reversal candle there, and the support is at 107.621 unchanged from previous videos. So the C wave higher should then ideally take us into this target area there. So we've got the standard resistance area, but we can also, and I have to adjust that now. Oh wow, that's amazing. This is now basically overlapping. So this is the ideal target area for the C wave. Typically the 1-to-1 ratio is a common one. That's at 195370. What's quite funny about this is that it basically now overlaps with the standard resistance area, retracement area for a B wave. So it's good confluence in that area there. But yeah, I mean, if it breaks below support, I assume we are already directly in this C wave. And the next main support level, I mean, besides this red line there, but it's basically the 472.70 level, the 38.2 retracement level, okay? But going down more directly, I think would look quite weak. It would look better with A, B, C. So that's what I'm watching at the moment primarily. Yeah. In an alternative, the wave 2 already bottomed here, but it would be an unusually shallow wave 2 and nothing that I'm primarily watching for. I'm potentially watching for higher, yes, but only in wave C. So yeah, basically we could see a turnaround here. It's quite a deep pullback now, but that's good from a reward to risk point of view. So yeah, I think parameters are pretty clear. I think my preference is pretty clear as well. Just need to wait for a little bit of action, maybe after the weekend, to get that move up in wave C. And yeah, I think the 100% extension level together with that red 50% retracement level there should be the first key area to watch. That's my update about Bonk. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.